Here we have an HD footage of a girl walking with an umbrella. We will upscale this video 4x the original size, using Upscale using model, which will become 8K Ultra HD. Drag out the image node and select Upscale image using model. Next, drag out the Upscale model node and select the model loader. Select a 4x upscale model. From the image output, connect the VHS Video Combine node. That is all for this workflow. These are the basic nodes needed to upscale the video, but you can also add a video info node to automate the frame rate detection and connect it to the frame rate socket. This will automate the frame rate of the video instead of entering it manually every time. Now, let's cue it to upscale the video. We can see that the load video node is loading all the frames, and in the upscale node it crashed. We get a not enough memory error. This is because the node tries to load all the video frames at once. This is a problem because you cannot use this method to upscale your favorite movie clips, which is hour long. Now we will add the meta batch node to fix this issue. Drag out the meta batch socket and select meta batch manager. Enter 1 in frames per batch. Then, drag the meta batch socket into the video combine node as well. This tells the workflow to process 1 frame at a time, instead of loading all the video frames into memory. Now, let's cue again. Now, the upscale using model node is processing only 1 frame at a time. Once it processes a frame, it passes it to the video combine node. Then it processes the second frame and passes it. The video combine node will not output yet. It will hold the frames until it finishes processing all of them one by one. It is working now. It has already processed 2 frames. But let's stop here and remove the meta batch again. Let's cue it. The load video node is loading all the frames into memory to pass it to upscale node. It crashes even before loading all the frames. We will add back the meta batch node. With the meta batch node, we can see the loop upscale using model, via video combine, load video next frame. This will loop until all the frames are processed. This way you can avoid an out of memory crash. This is a simple workflow. You don't even need to download it, but if you want it, let me know in the comments. I even added the Hires Upscale method, SD Ultimate Upscaler nodes, and it seems to work well. It does not crash because it is processing 1 frame at a time. But I don't think video frames will look very good using Hires Upscale. You can experiment with it because it works. You can apply any kind of upscale method like an image.